All right, hey everybody, these are some bar stools. If you're looking at these bar stools, these came in a box. My wife put these together. She said it was very easy to put together, very straightforward, standard bar top height here. You can see my son's moving into his new place. Now I am well over 6 feet tall. I'm about 6'2" and a half or so, maybe 6'3" with my shoes on. You can see right here that my feet are not touching the ground here. All right, so I'm sitting straight up in this. Now this has got a cushion. All right, so this is a cushion seat here, very comfortable, good back support here. But we've also got this little bar right here, so great little bar. So these, if anybody is short or shorter, obviously, and a lot of people are not as tall as I am, but they could step up easily into these. Straightforward, easy to put together. Let's spin one of them around here. You can take a look at it right here. It's got some little things on the bottom right here to not scratch the floor. You can see these things right here. So there's 4 of those. All right, and you can see the little tools included to screw the bottoms on. So nice bar stools for my son's new place here. If you're looking for some bar stools, then maybe these will work for you. Comes in a box of 2.